going on, guys? And today you all saw this already. It's a new fidget spinner. So the bearings, it has no bearings. You can spin it, that's what it looks like. So yeah, you can't do this, but on the other one you can. So look at this. If you didn't see the other video with the new colorful fidget spinner, go see that. I will leave the link in the description below. We just sold chickens. Well, we didn't sell them. We gave them to a new guy. But we're getting a hamster. So, yeah. This is what it looks like. And I hope you enjoyed this video, this fidget spinner. Here's what it looks like spinning. Well, it looks really cool on camera. It's slowing down. This is what it looks like slowly. Yeah. Goodbye.